good because I was okay. So what's up, guys? And we are back with a brand new video, and we are in Chick-Fil-A.
Chick-Fil-A.
Doing a Pokemon unboxing. Hello. I got a Pikachu. It's cool Beetle. So first, I think I'm going to open this Evolution's Charger Attack. David, look at this card. Oh, holy crap! I did not know that.
Mason's going to do a special card trick.
150 damage.
Hey, you guys.
Oh my gosh, he does 150 damage.
That's good.
Halliwag, Ghastly, Magnemite, Seal, Pokédex, Haunter, Energy Retrieval, Charmander, Misty's Determinations, Hollow, Rare, and Electrode. Now I think we're gonna open our Sun and Moon one now. Oh my gosh, these packs are so hard. Let's see here.
Give me a card trick. Mason's done it.
I did the card trick and I got this guy. Look, Mason, Vikavolt. Okay. So, Seedot, Nosecast, Slitleo, Dino, Steelix, Spiritling, Shieldon, Persian, Pocket, Yanma, Infernape Hollow. 200. Look at these stats.
Beetle's mint.
Second best pull of the day. Now, last one. Now do the trick. We got a Bastodon, Sprintomb, Clawfossil, Suelos, Driftbomb, Ponyta, Meowth, Litwick, Hoppet, and Dino. Okay, now onto the last pack. So we got a Shelder, Zubat, Popplio, Stuffle, Wingull, Golbat, Trumpet, Potion, Thero Hollow, and Stout.
Nice.
Did you get any good ones?
Surprisingly, no EXs.
Here, are these all trash?
Good.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.